Okay, so we would like to use Joomla to develop a website that is an e-commerce website. So this is what you should expect to see after the end of these tutorials. Come to the about page. We have the about information over there. Then pages, we have frequently asked questions. That page is there. Then we have our team. Now when you come to the page that we that's e-commerce page, here is the e-commerce page. So if I click on Samsung, we are expected to see Samsung upload, the phones that comes under Samsung, you see. So here, in case you want to you are interested in buying, you click add to cart. Okay, so after add to cart, when the page opens, then you continue. Okay, this particular one has not been connected or has not been hosted. So at least if you have something like this, it's okay. So we want to see how we are able to come about all these pages. When it comes to the blog page too, we have information that concerns phones. Okay, we have blog about the history of phones, Huawei, and all these things. So we want to see how we can go about getting something like this. Now we use Joomla framework website content management system to come out with something like this. So we will start afresh by doing the installation. Okay, so this is the file. I'm using Joomla 5.03. This is the full package. If you go on the net and you Google download Joomla 5.03, you get the link, then you go. Now if you want to install, you come here, extract, then you locate the source folder, that is XAMPP. You locate htdocs, then inside htdocs you create an installation folder. You name it whatever name that you prefer. So I'll name mine Joomla 7. Okay, so let's go. So you click, then you click on extract, click on it the second time, then the extraction will begin. Okay, so the process begins. So we will wait till the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, we can go ahead to set up the name of the website, the password, you state the name of the database, and that is it. So let's wait for a while till it reads from here to the last end. So I'll give it a pause. Okay, so the installation is true. So you can locate the installation folder over here. You come to local disk C, you go to XAMPP, you locate ht docs, then the installation folder was Joomla 7. So here's the folder. Okay, now we are going to set up the system. So we go open a browser, then we type localhost, and you type the name of the installation folder. It was Joomla 7. Then you type administrator. So administrator, click enter. Okay. Now you start with the setup. So the name of the site is what? Clean iHub. Then you move to the setup login. You type it, clean hub, then set up the user name for the super account. So this is the username, then the password. So that's the password I'm using. Okay. Then type your email address. Then you click, then you can type root over here. You leave the password side. Now for this one, you can name your database. Okay, let me name my database clean iHub underscore clean iHub. That's the name of the database that I prefer. Now you click on install Joomla. So the installation, we are now installing the framework onto the computer. Okay. So the installation is finished. So you go and open administrator. You click on it again, open administrator. Then it will bring you back to the sign in page. So you type in your username and the password that you used when you were creating, were about to install. So you click login. So this is the back end of Joomla. Okay, this way you are going to help to do all the websites. Okay. Now let's look at the default interface. So this is how the default interface looks like. So we are going to do the changes for it to look like something like this. Okay, we'll do the changes for us to have something of this nature. Okay, So firstly we want to uh, change the logo. Okay, here is the default logo. So we want to change this particular logo to something like this. Okay, so what do? We come here, come to system. To change the logo, you have to go to system site template styles. Then here you come and click on this particular one, the default. Then you come here. Now this is where you are going to select your logo. So you select, you come to upload. You locate where your logo is. Okay, so then come and click and select. So after that, you are through with that, so you save and close. You save and close, and you refresh. Okay. You refresh, you see that the logo has come. Oh, I used a different logo. Oh, okay, let's change the logo. Let's change the logo. I use a different logo. Let's change the logo. Now, before you go about the web, you have to make sure that all your content, you have your folders. Okay, so let's use this logo. Okay, so if we check, you cannot have something like this. So we check it. Now, if you want to change this particular background, okay, you can change this particular background like that from blue. We have by default the backgrounds are only two, okay, blue and red. So let's see whether you can change the background. You come here, then you come to color theme. You click here, then you select alternate, okay, then you save. You save. Then let's see. You realize the background has changed to red, okay. And in case you want an arrow to come here, you can also come back to top link arrow. You can click here, then you see those arrows over there. Okay. Will not come here again. Okay, so the back arrow, if as you are doing this thing, it will come. So let's continue. Okay, so we are going to we are going to uh, create this one. This one is called article. Okay, it's called article. So we are going to create this over here. Okay, we are going to put it here. We are going to put it here. Okay, let's go. So what we'll do is that we will come to content, click on content. Now, before you can create that article, you have to first create the category. Okay, so it is the categories that you create before you can place the article inside. So you'll be creating two categories. The first category, you will name it, claim hub article. Okay, that's how you name it. Then you just save it. Okay, you just save it. So we go save and create new. We are creating two categories, one for article and one for blog. Okay, this particular blog we are creating an article for it. So let's go. So we are clicking on save and close. We have finished creating the two articles. So we can now proceed to we finish creating the category. So we can proceed to create the articles. Okay, so as you can see, okay, the articles under category. That's it. Now let's proceed. Now you now come to the article. You click on the article. Then you come to add your first article. Then you go and copy the article that you want to post, your content. Go and post your content. Then you name the article. So this article is for home. It's a home page article, so we place it on home. Then you copy paste the information, your content. Then we will come in under the category. You come and select clean art. So this is the reason why you create the category. Okay. So you select the category, then that is it. So we are creating two articles. The other article is for the about page. The other article is for about page. So okay, so we are going to create. Okay, we finished. So you save it new. So the about page article, you copy it. Okay. So you come and name it. You come and paste it. Then this one for about us. Give the title. Then it's still an article. So after that, you have to come and create the menu or link the menu. So it's finished. So we are going to what? We are going to save and close. So you are through with the article. So the next thing is that you want to what? Create this menu, home menu, about menu. Then after that, you want to link it for it to come because after what you've done, if you refresh, you realize that still the page will not come because you've not created the menu. So we are going to create menu right now. So this is the article that we created, home and about. Okay. So right now we are going to what? Go to create the menu. So let's go. So you come and click here menu. Now the menu that we already have the home menu by default. So you can click the home menu and do some level settings here. Okay. So now for you to link the article that you created, the home page article to the home page menu, you come and click select, and it is an article. It's a single article, so you select single article. Okay. Now right after that, you come and select the article. So it's a home page article. So you click on the home. Okay. So okay. So that so that's all. Oh, it linked it. Now we are creating another one for the about page. So I can put save and new, or it should rather be saved and copy, but no problem about that. So this one is for about us name. Okay. Select it is an about us. Then you can choose a category. Um, then you choose then come to save and close. Now after we go and refresh and see the outcome. Okay. So let's refresh and see. Okay, so then this is what we did, the article that we copied. And the menu too, you can see the menu over here. The about us menu. Okay, so far we have this information over here. There's it. There's the information. Okay. Now what we want to do right now is Let's see the next thing that you want to do. Okay, we would like to remove this menu. We remove the login box over here. You can decide to reposition it to the footer and remove the menu box over here. We want to remove. We want to clear this thing off. This thing. We want to clear this off. Then we'll come and clear this one to off. Okay. So what we'll do is that we will simply go to systems. Then we go to site models. Then these are the two things. This one, main menu, relates to this particular one. The main menu relates to this, whilst the login form relates to this one. Okay, so you click on the main menu. So here is the main menu. So if you don't want to show, you just come. You click here, it means that you not show. Okay, you save it and you go and check. You realize that you not show. Okay, so the main menu is not showing here. So if it's not showing, it's still at the right side. Okay, it's at the right side. So we want it to be positioned to this end. Okay, if you look at where the menu is, the menu is at the left side, okay, of the header. So we want it to be, we want this to be positioned here. So all what we have to do is we will come and select what you come and select menu. You select this menu. Then that's it. You save and close. Now if you go and check, you see exactly that. Okay. So you want to treat this login form. You want to remove it from here because there is no login over there. So they are taking a login. So you have to come and click here. So even if you uncheck it, it will remove from that. You will not see it again. Okay. But we don't want to uncheck it. Okay. So right now, yeah, there's no this over here. It's not of that sort. Okay. Now, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to clear this. You want to clear this thing. Okay. And if you want to clear it, you simply goes to this one is information and the articles. Okay, this information that falls under article. And this is information about the menu. So you can change the menu from this. You can erase this from the menu settings, and whilst you can change it from the article settings. So let's first change this. So you go to the article settings. You click on articles. So you come here, options. choose, you come and choose. So this is the category option. Okay, you can see it over here. Category. So this one will go up. So just turn this one off. Then you come to author. The author. So here is the author. You turn that off. Then come to publish date. Here's the publish date. You turn that one off to off. Then once again you come to tag. The tag is not here, it's only heads. So you locate heads and you click there. Now let's save the changes and see. Okay. So let's see. You realize all those information is left with the about us. So, you can see this one, so everything is gone. Okay, let's see something. Let's uncheck show this things here. So the title of the article, who is the home, is also gone. So it's left with this the menu one, the menu settings. So you come to menu. Come to menu. Let's see the options of the menu. Okay. Settings is not there. So you rather come here, click on the home, then you come here, display, page display, come and click on hide, then that's all, to not show again. And after that you can come to the about and do a similar thing. So you are checking for the home, where is our home? It's gone. Are refreshing, you don't see it again. But for the about, okay, well, about you is gone. Okay, so that's all. Okay. So right now we are going to remove this information. You are here, this information. breadcrumbs. So we are going to see how we can remove that information. So we still come to system, then we come to site models. Then we come to breadcrumbs. So under breadcrumbs, you turn off you are here. Okay. So let's see the results. So you have to turn this as well. So return all this. Sure. Yes. So this is for this thing. You have to still take this thing off. So what we have to do for everything to cut short is you will not assign it to any page. So you unassign it. You hide it. So you realize that this should be gone. This is gone. And here too. It's gone. Okay. So what again should we do? What again should we do? We should let me bring page footer over here. Hello? Yeah, morning. Yeah, fine. You want to ask me about exams officer contact is line. Okay, so when you come to login, okay, you ask where did I click? I just click to locate this. You come here system, okay. You already know the step. A system, then you come to site models. That's what you want to bring the footer. You want to bring in the footer, so you click the login. Then you reposition the login to the footer position. That's how come the footer will come. So we will publish it, then we will now come and put it at our footer part. Then we are assigning it to all the pages. The footer should appear to all the pages. Okay, if you want it to come to just the home page, want the footer to come to just the home page, you select home page. Okay, you select home page and we save and refresh. You realize that the footer will come to only that page that you chose. Okay, let's see. So let's see. So you see that the footer will come in. Let's see. You see the footer. Okay. But if when you come to the about, you will not see any footer at the about because you did not select about in addition. Okay, so if you want to correct the situation, means that we have to what? Select all, then we save and close it. Now, the next thing, let's see what we will do next. So we created the footer. Now we can decide to come and create all these ones, but for the meantime, we will not do that. Okay. Okay. Let's just try to. Okay. You for the meantime, we will not do that. Let's create this thing. This one, this picture value. Okay. Let's see how we can put a picture on the front page. Okay. Now we can do that by the help of an extension. So we go and look for an extension known as smart slider. So you can Google download smart slider extension for Joomla. It will give you the link. So we want to install that extension. So you come to system, then you come to extensions. So once the extension opens up, you go and drag. Go and drag the extension to the installation page. Then you wait for it to finish installing. Now once it's installed, to give you the interface for you to upload your images. Okay, so you upload images for the home page and the about page. You upload images for both home page and the about page. So let's see. So the installation is complete. So you go to dashboard. Then you go and select the project. Go to create project. Then you can set up your height.
Now from here to here the screen is 1004, 1200 from the left end to the right end. Now when you talk about the width, the 600 pixels is like from here to this end. So I want it just 400 so pixels so for the width. So I'll change it to 400 pixels. Then I'll go to create. So I'm going to create a slider for the home page. Okay, very soon I'll be bringing the video, the first part of the video to an end. So it's created. So let's go to our first slide is to rename it home slider page. Then we'll go out and set the images. So you should look for your image, you drag and drop the image over there. So which image are we talking about? This is for about, this is for home. So let's push it and place there. Let's upload it. That's uploaded. Okay. If you still want another one, I only did for older one. Okay, I did for older one, but for the purpose of the study, let me add this. So it's push, push. Supposed to put it here. Gosh, how is it? So yeah, all what we are doing is that we are trying to upload, drag and drop the picture. Okay, so we are through. So we just select, we select it, then we come to we save it. Say success that created. So this particular one is for us. So let's go back. We want to so realize that let's edit it. It should be home page slider, but the name was not affected. So let me change the name again. Home page slider. Okay. So I'm saving it. See. Okay, so the home page slider is created. So let's go to a dashboard. And now we have the home page slider. And we have two items inside. Okay, so we want to create another slider for the about page. So let's come and click on duplicate. We duplicate it. So you can see this is the duplicated one. Okay, so you edit it. Let's try to edit it. Then we are going to use this particular image for the about. So here is the edit. So we are going to delete this images. We are going to delete these images. Okay. Now then we add that one for the home. Now about. Where's the about? So where is the about? What are some to them? Push. This is really wasting time. Okay. What I saw about? This is really not about. So you select the image again, then click on select. Then come and change. You change the name. This one is about page slider. About page slider. Then you come and click on save. So after it saves, you close. Okay. You are now going to create uh, you are going to create a menu. Then you link it. So you create the menu for home page slider. So create home page slider menu. Then create. So let's see the menu home page slider. You create the menu. Then you come and select. Choose what you want to do. Now this is handout. It's under.
Okay, so you click, you, you leave this home page, the main menu, then you rather come and click site models as I've just clicked. Okay, site models. So under site models, you come and click smart slider model. The smart slider model. You come and click into it. Okay. Now after clicking into it, you will now uh, create a copy of this particular one. Forget about the tutorial one. You create the copy. Then you name it homepage slider. Then you come and publish it. Then the position, it should be at the banner. Then you come and assign it to which page. You are assigning it to a selected page. You are assigning this one to the home page. Okay, so right after that, you create another copy. Uh, I think it is some mistake. I did a mistake. They will correct that. We correct that. Now let's close this and check something. So this is the page home page slider we just created. Okay. So there was a mistake here. You should have what? You have to assign it to the home page. You have to assign to the home page. Then you publish and let's see. Okay, it's already assigned. So then you save it. I'm saving and closing because I've already created a copy that I want to use for the about page. So here is the copy. So I'm just activating it again. So you select this one for the about. And this about page sender. You publish it. You change this one to banner. Then that's all. Then after that, you come and check. You come and check whether it will appear. Okay. Now when it appears, then I'll bring this session to an end. Okay, I'll come and continue later. So that's coming. Okay. I'm about to. That's coming. About has not come. The reason why about has not come. Let's see. About did not come. About everything is okay. Okay, see, we did not assign about. We assign it. So once we assign it, Then you realize that it will also come. Once you assign, it will come. So I think it will end the first session over here. Now you may ask why there's a little animation over here. Okay, now this picture is a GIF picture. So go and learn how to use Photoshop to create GIF. Then you just upload it. Okay, so I'll end this session over here. Thank you very much.